We all know that Devon supports an amazing diversity of landscapes and wildlife, from the peat bogs of Dartmoor through wooded river valleys, rolling farmland and urban parks, to our two coasts and incredible marine habitats. What we sometimes forget is that this environment underpins our lives. It provides us with food, water, carbon storage, flood control, great recreational and business opportunities, and a natural health service. However, we've witnessed a huge deterioration in the health of our environment due to complex factors such as habitat loss, pesticides, disease, pollution, and climate change. Water voles went extinct, and breeding curlews are on the brink. When was the last time you heard a cuckoo? To help us reverse these declines and create a nature recovery network, the Environment Act requires responsible authorities to develop local nature recovery strategies. These will set out priorities, opportunities, and actions for recovering biodiversity and must include a local habitats map. The strategies must also support wider objectives such as carbon storage, flood control, water quality, and health and well-being. DEFRA guidance and funding for the strategies is not yet out, and responsible authorities are not yet named. However, we do know that DEFRA wants county-level strategies led by higher-tier authorities, working in collaboration with partners, and for preparatory work to begin. Devon County Council, Plymouth City Council, Torbay Council, and Natural England have therefore formed a small team to start work on Devon's strategy under the umbrella of the local nature partnerships. We're starting to work with experts to update our State of Environment report, and will continue work on our Nature Recovery Network map. We'll work with partners to get an overview of all the great existing initiatives and success stories, and we'll also identify gaps, challenges, and solutions. Critically, we need your views on what you want from the strategy, as it must be useful. We will involve a huge range of sectors, including farmers. The strategy needs to guide agri-environment funding and help the farming sector to better manage and protect the environment on which it depends. Developers and planners. The strategy needs to provide an evidence base for local plans, guide biodiversity net gain funding, and ensure we all have access to wildlife-rich spaces. Community groups and schools. The strategy needs to help community groups and schools to connect with nature. Health and well-being. The strategy needs to link with the work of Devon Local Nature Partnerships Naturally Healthy Forum. We need to make this strategy as inclusive, positive, and impactful as possible. We want everyone across Devon to be talking about wildlife and taking action to recover our healthy natural environment. Here's how to get involved.